Trees That Feed Foundation is exactly what it is. It's trees that feed. So we plant trees that can feed people. And if we eat more food from trees, we're not just feeding people, we're creating jobs to make the food from the trees, the farmers, the manufacturers, and we're helping the environment.
One of the ways in which we benefit the environment, there's tremendous deforestation in Haiti. You fly over the island, one half of the island is the Dominican Republic, it's green and lush. The other side is Haiti. It's been extensively deforested. The local people are cutting down trees to use as firewood, that's their main energy source. We're trying to replenish those trees that have been cut down. One of the consequences of deforestation is tremendous soil erosion. We're planting breadfruit trees that produce food and environmental benefits, one of which is soil retention. One of the things that we're doing to support the breadfruit trees is planting other kinds of trees that grow more quickly, that bind the soil, so that the breadfruit trees and other large trees will survive. And so, for example, we sent over 1,000 pomegranate trees from Jamaica to Haiti. It's benefiting the economy in Jamaica, they're growing the trees, and we're sending pomegranate trees, they grow quickly, and then those trees are now helping to bind the soil. The breadfruit tree is ideal. We're actually taking breadfruit trees to where they already have breadfruit trees, but breadfruit trees in nature propagate slowly. So we've found ways to mass propagate so we can bring thousands of trees at a time. We're bringing in some new cultivars, which brings a different bearing season. It also avoids the risks of monoculture. We're bringing in varieties that are not invasive, they're not genetically modified in any way. These have been sourced from different islands in the Pacific. The breadfruit tree is so ideal because it's low maintenance. So we're delivering trees to where there's not a lot of sophistication, not a lot of agricultural resources. So the tree can be planted, it needs no fertilizer, it gets rainfall, it gets sunshine, it works in almost any kind of soil, doesn't need fertilizer, fungicides, that type of thing. So it's a very low maintenance tree. Then it produces a large fruit, 3 to 5 pounds is a breadfruit. It's very nutritious. It's a starchy fruit, so typically it's cooked before it's eaten. But you could live almost exclusively on a diet of breadfruit. Hopefully there'll be excess production, there'll be a market created, so excess food can be sold. They can produce post-harvest products. You can have a profitable value chain from production all the way through distribution to food packaging to the consumer. There needs to be profitability built into this value chain. We want to see entrepreneurs successful financially. If it's successful financially, small scale, medium scale, whatever scale, then it will be self-sustaining. We count the number of trees that we've delivered. We've delivered over 50,000 trees to Jamaica and Haiti, mostly breadfruit, but a number of other kinds of fruit-bearing, food-producing trees as well. We've delivered about 12 factory-in-a-box. We've had a number of training sessions. We've had 6 significant summit meetings that we've had, Jamaica and Haiti, where we've brought farmers and exporters and producers together. We're in 8 countries where we've delivered a significant number of trees. In Jamaica, Haiti, Costa Rica, Puerto Rico. We're starting in the Bahamas, in Barbados. We've delivered to Pakistan, Ghana. We're now working with Liberia. We had a phone call from a group in Kenya. Almost daily we get requests from more groups and organizations and individuals that have heard about us, mostly through word of mouth. And we always try to help them with trees, with equipment, with training.
So for $15, a tree will live for 75 years and will provide 300 fruit per year. And when that fruit is preserved and saved, it means really food for an entire year, for 75 years. So $15 is really a good investment in the future. Probably the best $15 you'll ever spend.